Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a top utensil rack rail stop clip in your dishwasher, pull the top rack out. If replacing a front stop clip, release the retaining tabs to remove the clip from the rail. If you're replacing a rear stop clip, remove both front stop clips and slide the rack off of the rails. You can now release the retaining tabs to remove the appropriate rear stop clip. Install the new top rack rail stop clip by aligning it on the rail and snapping it into place. If applicable, realign the utensil tray support brackets on the rails and slide the rack in. Realign the two front stop clips on the rails and snap them into place.